Metabolic basis for living. During this metabolic process, certain simpler substances are formed from complex substances, or certain simpler substances may get converted into complex substances. This is known as anabolic pathway or biosynthetic pathway, whereas in the later case, the substances only undergo degradation, that is known as catabolic pathway. Anabolic pathway requires energy, whereas catabolic pathways releases energy. For example, glycolysis, it is a 10-step metabolic process. In every step, energy is released. Our body or the living organism's body has found out ways to trap these energy or in the form of chemical bonds. This is stored as ATP, adenosine triphosphate, and this can be used whenever required later on. The living state. It is non-equilibrium steady state to be able to perform work. This state tends to fall in equilibrium, but according to physics, any state which is in equilibrium cannot perform work, whereas we being living organisms, it is necessary to perform work. Hence, it is to be maintained in non-equilibrium only. Living state is nothing but the metabolic state only, which maintains this non-equilibrium steady state so that we can perform work. Enzymes. Enzymes are nothing but proteins. Certain nucleic acids also act as enzymes. These are known as ribozymes. Enzymes also have primary, secondary and tertiary structure like proteins. As in case of secondary structure, there are helix, turns and cervices. These cervices, they form pockets, and these pockets are nothing but active sites of enzyme onto which substrate binds, and thus they catalyzes reaction at higher rate. Chemical reactions. Whenever there is transformation which involves breaking of bond is known as chemical reaction. The rate of reaction is product formed per unit time. Enzymes, they increases this rate of reaction, and reaction occurs at very fast pace with the help of enzymes.